Today, we're learning the simple past tense, one of the easiest ways to talk about things that already happened. Welcome back to Easy English with AI. Let's kick it off. The simple past tense describes actions or events that are finished. It usually answers, what happened? And, when. As an example, I visited Paris last year. She watched a movie yesterday. She went to a party in the weekend. Now let's look at the structure of the simple past tense. For affirmative sentences, the order is subject plus past verb plus object. Example, I played football. I is the subject, played is the past verb and football is object. For negative sentences, we use subject, then did not and then the base verb. Example, I did not play football. For questions, the structure is did, then subject and the base verb. Example, did you play football? Remember, in both negative and question forms, the verb stays in its base form, not the past form. We say I did not play, not played. And in questions we use the base verb which is play as well. Did you play football? Some people make this common mistake saying did you played football, which is wrong. Now, let's talk about regular and irregular verbs in the simple past tense. Regular verbs are easy. Just add ed to the base form. For example, work become worked, clean becomes cleaned. Irregular verbs are different. Their past form changes completely, and you need to memorize them. Examples, go becomes went, eat becomes ate, buy becomes bought. We often use time expressions with the past tense, like yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, or in 2015. Here are 2 examples. We went to the beach yesterday. She finished her homework 2 hours ago. Time for a quick quiz. Fill in the blanks with the correct past tense forms. Number 1. I, blank, watch TV last night. Number 2. They, blank, go to the park yesterday. Number 3. She, blank, not visit her grandma last weekend. Got your answers? Let's check. Number 1. Watched. Number 2. Went. Number 3. Did not visit. Remember, for regular verbs like watch, we add ed. For irregular verbs like go, the past form is went. And for negatives, we use did not plus the base verb. Alright, that's the end of simple past tense lesson. Subscribe to Easy English with AI for the next lesson. Keep practicing. Comment below what you did yesterday in simple past tense form.